Hey there, car lovers. I'm Stanley. Welcome back to All-in-One Knowledge Channel. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the fascinating world of car body work. You know, that satisfying process of fixing and restoring the exterior of a vehicle. Whether it's minor scratches, dents, or even rust, we'll tackle it all together. So sit tight, as I guide you through the essential steps to make your car shine like new again. Tools of the trade. Before we get started, let's talk about the tools you'll need to have on hand for any car body work project. While some tools may vary based on the specific task, there are a few essentials that every car enthusiast should have in their garage. A set of screwdrivers, pliers, dent pullers, sandpaper, body filler, primer, and of course, high-quality automotive paint. With these tools in your arsenal, you'll be well prepared to tackle any car body work challenge that comes your way. Assessing the damage. Before diving into any repairs, it's crucial to assess the extent of the damage on your vehicle. Take a close look at the scratches, dents, or rust spots and evaluate whether it's a job you can handle yourself or if it's best left to the professionals. Remember, it's always better to have a realistic assessment of your skills and seek professional help if needed. Now, let's move on to the next step. Prepping the surface. Preparing the surface is a crucial step in achieving a flawless finish. Start by thoroughly washing your car to remove any dirt or grime. Next, use masking tape to protect areas you don't want to be painted, such as windows or trim. If there are dents, use a dent puller to reshape the metal and ensure it's smooth. Finally, sand the damaged area using different grits of sandpaper until it's perfectly smooth and ready for the next step. Filling and sanding. Now comes the fun part, filling and sanding. Apply a thin layer of body filler to the damaged area, using a putty knife to spread it evenly. Once it's dry, sand it down using various grits of sandpaper until it's flush with the surrounding surface. This process may require multiple rounds of filling and sanding until the area is smooth and ready for paint. Priming for perfection. Priming is the next crucial step in the car body work process. Apply a thin and even coat of primer to the repaired area, ensuring it covers all the sanded surfaces. The primer not only provides a smooth base for the paint but also helps with adhesion and durability. Allow the primer to dry completely before moving on to the next step. Painting like a pro. Now, it's time to give your car a fresh coat of paint. Choose a high-quality automotive paint that matches your vehicle's color. Apply multiple thin coats of paint, allowing each coat to dry in between. Remember to maintain a consistent distance from the surface while spraying and use smooth sweeping motions. Finishing touches. We're almost there. After the paint has dried, it's important to protect your hard work with a layer of clear coat. This clear coat not only adds gloss but also provides a protective barrier against UV rays and minor scratches. Apply it in the same manner as the paint, with multiple thin coats. Once it's dry, remove the masking tape, and enjoy the satisfaction of a beautifully restored car. Admiring the final result. And just like that, we've come to the end of our car body work journey. Stand back and admire your hard work, as your car gleams with newfound beauty. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and learn from your experiences. With the skills you've gained today, you'll be able to tackle any future car body work projects with confidence.